Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? Okay, so as you can obviously tell, I just woke up. It is New Year's Day, and I feel like I wanted to start making some ideas for videos I want to make in the new year, for videos that I would post all in January, and then we'll get back to normal programming later, but I don't know, I was just thinking, and I realized oh, I have all of these dolls that I still have to unbox. Why would I want to make a whole new video idea when I have other dolls to unbox? And then it dawned on me, when I was in my booktube phase, what was my favorite video? TBRs. So today's video, we will be doing a TBU. This isn't my proudest video, okay? My backlog it's reached 2 new limits. And I just thought it'd be a really funny video if we did my TBU, talk about each doll, and if we were going to unbox them or not. I thought it'd be fun. Okay guys, let's get the show on the road. Okay, first of all, hello, Happy New Year. If you're new here, hello. Welcome to Atlantix, where it is my Atlantis. And subscribe if you want more videos like this, I guess. Okay guys, okay. I'm gonna try to do chronological. We could get an idea of a timeline, you know? So all of these has started in November, right at my birthday. I got some of these as gifts, or I got a couple of these as gifts. Some of these I got for Christmas, some of these I got after Christmas, so there's an array. It's not too much though. It's just doll boxes are big, so it's it just feels like a lot. Okay, let's get right into this. First doll. Yeah! Okay, so the first doll that I feel I really need to unbox soon is the Barbie, the movie. What is it? Roller skating Barbie? Is that what she's called? When the Barbie the movie dolls came out, I only got the Perfect Day one, and I truly thought that I would never have an opportunity to get the other ones, so I just grabbed whatever I saw on shelves. I didn't get any Kens though. And this was the only other doll that I was able to find on shelves like that. I'm really excited about it, honestly. The reason why I wanted this one so bad, well, first of all, 80s Barbie. Second, her hair is more accurate for Perfect Day, so I was thinking of using this as my base Barbie doll for both, you know? And besides that, I'm just really excited. I love the little roller skates. This one I got after my birthday because my birthday plans for myself was that I wanted to go shopping and not hold back. So this is a product of that. So this is my first TBU. Second, we have Emma Emo from LOL OMG Tweens, or LOL Tweens, I guess that's just what they're called. So this one I got on what was it? Was it Black Friday? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got this one on Black Friday. She was $19, so 19 Canadian dollars, so I was really excited to get her because that's quite a steal here. I got this one as well as the swap-in styles LOL surprise dolls as well, and I was really hoping to use some of her outfit pieces for different heads and stuff, so I was really excited about this. Also, this aesthetic is just so cute to me. I love the idea of a 2010 scene queen. That's so cute. So that is my second one. Oh my god, this one I also got my birthday. I totally forgot, but yeah, so I have the Claudine and Draculaura Fabulous Pets set, and I was really excited to open this on camera, but with the accumulation of dolls that I've gotten, it's been really hard to find a time to open these, so I think these might be the first ones I'm going to open up in the new year. I'm obviously really excited about them. I love their looks. I love that the little pets have little fabric pieces to them, and all of these accessories. This is just so much fun to me. I was really wanting to get the Cleo Denial Fabulous Pet set as well, so I'd be able to open all 3 together, but another accumulation situation. We don't don't really want to do that. But obviously, yeah, I'm just like really excited about this one. It also has been a while since I looked at this. Like, this is just so much fun. I know that they're not really like a favorite. People don't really like their outfits, but I just think that they look so stinking cute. Like, don't even lie to me. Like, they look like they're just like going out to brunch, hanging out with their pets. Like the pet bags. Come on, y'all. Okay, yeah. Really excited about this one. Now we're in like Christmas territory, so we don't have too much left. First one. This one was on sale, okay? At Toys R Us, they were on sale. And I've always really wanted this Cleo, so it wasn't really like a question of whether I was gonna get it or not. It was more like when. So I thought, like, while the sales are up, why not, right? This is a Cleo de Niles Bejeweled beauty case. This is so much fun. I love that, because, okay, guys, here's the thing. When Draculaura's Gorganizer came out, like, obviously I was like obsessed, and like that Draculaura is like one of the cutest Draculauras ever, like G1, G2, G3. And I love the fact that her carrier, or what is it called? Like the actual big coffin thing, you would be able to put her in it. But like I was kind of sad that it didn't look too much like a coffin, you know? Like I was kind of hoping for some like, I don't know, like maybe like a tombstone. I don't know, but like I was really hoping for it to be a little bit more like creepy. Obviously I still thought it was like really cute, and I still think about getting it sometimes, maybe if it's ever on clearance. But this one, oh, this is good. Like the sarcophagus like vibes here, like it actually looks like a tomb for her, and like you also get her scarab necklace. Like, it's just all of this stuff that I'm really excited to look at and be a part of. Now, also, I love that you can always put the dolls inside. Like, if you take everything out, like, it's like an actual, yeah, like, you can, like, kind of see it here. If you take everything out, it's like an actual bed, so she can, like, sleep in her tomb. But I don't know how Cleo would feel about going back in that tomb, if you know what you know. Other thing that I got for Christmas is, okay guys, this is a long time coming, but yes, I have a Rainbow High Fantastic Fashion Jade, arguably my absolute second favorite dress. So you would think that I would have already opened it. So what's going on? Accumulation. I'm just so excited to like see the glow in the dark aspect, like the two-piece outfit, and like, where is it? The fabric, like, gigantic stompers that she has. Like, I'm so excited. Jade had, like, one of the strongest designs for the whole Fantastic Fashion lineup, so I was really hoping to open her soon, but we're gonna see. And also, a New Year's resolution for me is that, like, I don't have to film every single doll that I open. I mean, like, obviously I would love to, but like, I have Instagram, I have Twitter, like, I could post my dolls there as well. Like, I don't have to make a full video for it, but like, I'm just, like, so excited about, like, the dolls that I get. And, like, I want to show them to you guys. So, this one might be an unboxing. This one might be done in secret. We'll find out. Let me know what you guys think for this one. Oh, we're not done yet. I ordered a couple things after Christmas. Like, I kind of was, like, looking at the sales, and I decided that, like, it'd be a really good idea if I got my stuff, or got the stuff that I wanted on sale than later when it's full price. So, first one. I know this one came out, like, 2 years ago. Whatever. But guys, listen, they have never released in Canada. Like, they never released on store shelves, so I was so excited for Costume Ball. Like, I felt like I would have bought all of them if they came out on shelves. So maybe it's a good thing that they didn't come out on shelves like that. But anyway, obviously this is Demi Bautista from Shadow High's Rainbow Vision Costume Ball set of dolls. Here she is. I ordered her off of Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid, but it was definitely overpriced. This one, unfortunately, was not on sale. I just thought, like, while I'm on Amazon, might as well get her if I was gonna get her anyway. Her bangs are crazy. But I'm gonna try to fix them. Hopefully I can fix them. But she looks so insanely beautiful. So cool. So, oh my god, I'm so excited about it. And you know what? Videos like these where I get to like hold everything that like I haven't enjoyed yet gets me excited about them. So I feel like that's another healthy thing about this video. Anyway, Demi Bautista. Next. Guys, I haven't posted Brad's content in so long. Yeah, Felicia, the Felicia herself. She was also on sale, so I was really excited to get my hands on her as well. I was looking at like the entire lineup and I was like thinking about it, and it's like I really only want Dana and Felicia. Otherwise, I really want Nevra from series 2. But yeah, I'm like, I kind of want to get into the, I don't have to buy every single doll line that comes out. Like, just get the ones that you're enjoying. I know that Rainbow High dying is like really sad and like really disappointing, but I think that it would be really healthy for me if I really just like step back, only got the dolls that I really, really like from the brands that I really, really like. Even LOL OMG dying off might also be good, because if it was no Rainbow High, no LOL OMG, it would only be Monster High and Brad's. So in this sense, I can like step back and like before I buy a doll, I can be like, I'm gonna look at the entire lineup and point out the one that I like the most and then maybe get it on sale, because I have been spending way too much, as you can obviously see. I've been spending way too much this year on stuff. Just on stuff. Like, I need to start spending more on things that like give back. So like clothes more. Like, first of all, I need to purge my closet, but also clothes, technology stuff, like stuff that like I actually like need, you know? Anyway, speaking of things we need, Felicia was obviously in need, so I didn't even hesitate to get her. Kind of sad we didn't get the hat, but she is so pretty. She's so pretty, and I love that we got this like second outfit and like the jacket you could wear as a second outfit and the second pair of shoes, the poster. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, next. Yeah. So I got Amped Up Frankie. This one isn't too new, but they never released on store shelves yet, but they were on sale, so I thought it'd be a good idea if I just went ahead and got them. Obviously, I'm really excited. Frankie is my absolute favorite. If I'm really thinking about like my collection, like if I don't restyle them, I think I might end up only collecting Frankies going forward. I'm not sure, just because like, not like only Frankies, but like I will get one each of each core character in their main look, but for like the extra stuff, I think I might be a Frankie collector, just because Frankie's my favorite, obviously. Every look they do is a 10 out of 10. Come on. Okay guys, that's my TBU. I'm kind of overwhelmed, but also very excited. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Which ones do you really want me to open, and which ones do you want me to... Which ones do you think I'm okay not opening on camera? Because while I love filming videos, it's also good to like sit down and just like enjoy my dolls by itself. But yeah, other than that, that is everything for this video. I feel like this one has been a hectic one, but I had a lot of fun making this video. I'm gonna make a lot more videos kind of like this, where I kind of just like sit down and like talk about like dolls and stuff when I don't have to like do anything. I mean like unbox a doll, because I feel like that's all my videos. But yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Hit me up in the links in my description. I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.